Today I will tell you how to get data on the best-selling products on Amazon. This script will be especially useful for those who sell products on Amazon and want to improve their strategy. With this data, you can see how your competitors present products, what prices they set, and which products are becoming popular now. This information will help you not only adjust your approaches, but also increase sales by attracting more customers. We will collect data using the Appify platform. If you don't have an account yet, register first. Next, we will find the necessary tool, Scraper Amazon Bestsellers. Let's go to the bestsellers category on Amazon and choose one of the categories, for example, books. In the Appify console, paste the URL of the best-selling books into the appropriate field. Now copy the JSON and paste it into the formatter. Copy the formatted JSON and paste it into the appropriate field in the Appify module. Configuring the Get Dataset module. Here we insert the ID we need. Connect the Google Tables module. Run the scenario. As we can see, the data has been recorded in our table. One of the greatest advantages of such Amazon parsing is the ability to track your own performance, allowing you to stay ahead of competitors. If you are interested in learning more or want to implement something similar in your business, write to me. I will be happy to help you.